Following my last video, here is one of the recipes we made, Nigerian puff puff. In this video, I will show you how I made this. In a bowl, add some flour, sugar, fast action dry yeast, so active yeast, and some nutmeg, and a little pinch of pepper because I want the spicy flavor. Then add some salt and stir it well. Next, add your warm milk and mix until the consistency you want. So this is the consistency you want. Then cover it with a cling film or a nylon and put it in the warm part of your room. So allow it to rise for about an hour until it doubles its size. Heat up your oil for frying. I'll be using a piping bag to scoop out this puff puff, which is a neat way to scoop out your puff puff without messing up your hands. And I'll also be adding sausages to some of the puff puff. I call that sausage puff. It's really nice and you should try it. Fill in your piping bag and let's get frying. So here is how I scoop out the puff from the piping bag. Just press the bag with one hand and use the other hand to pinch it out to the desired size you want. Discovered that the sausage was not coming out well from the piping bag, so I decided to add the sausages into the bowl and just use my spoon to coat the puff puff, coat it with the puff puff and fry. If you're enjoying this video so far, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, this is high time you do. Drop a detailed measurement of the recipe in my description box. Repeat the process until all your puff puffs are fried, and yeah, that's all. Very simple, very simple. Puff puff looks so nice with the sausage inside and it's yummy. The kids love it. So if you make your own puff puff, tag me on Instagram at livelykicks23. So here is our puff puff. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.